Hey, Matilda. Good to see you again.
Hey, Liam. It was great talking to you earlier.
Likewise. Last time we talked about why salaries disappear every month.
Yeah, that one hurt a little,
Same. Judging by the comments, a lot of people felt seen.
which is comforting and scary.
Very. So today I thought we'd continue from there, because a lot of people asked a really good question after that video.
Okay, now what?
Specifically, what's the first thing one should do with the first paycheck?
Oh, that's a big one. And honestly, no one really teaches this.
They really don't. So for anyone new here, I'm Liam.
And I'm Emma. And if you're watching this with your first paycheck, congrats.
Huge moment.
Seriously, I still remember mine.
Same here. How did you feel?
Powerful and irresponsible.
That's the perfect description.
I remember thinking, wow, I'm rich. I was not rich.
None of us were. But that first paycheck feels special.
It really does. It's like proof that you're an adult now.
Exactly. And because it feels special, people usually do one of two things.
Let me guess. Spend everything?
Or save everything and feel miserable.
Yeah, I did the first one.
I did a mix. Neither was ideal.
So, what should someone actually do?
Okay, before I answer that, I want to say something important.
Go on.
There is no perfect first paycheck move.
I like where this is going.
This is about balance, not extremes.
Good, because extremes stress me out.
Same. So the first thing you should do with your first paycheck is don't spend it immediately. Don't panic save it either.
Just pause.
Exactly. Because the biggest mistake people make is reacting emotionally.
Like, I deserve everything.
Or, I must be super responsible now.
Both are intense.
Very. So after the pause, here's a simple, realistic way to think about it.
Okay, I am listening.
Split your first paycheck into 3 simple parts.
Not 50 categories?
No spreadsheets today, just 3.
Love that.
Part 1. Enjoy a small part of it. This is important. Your first paycheck is emotional. You worked for it. You earned it.
So, buying something nice isn't wrong.
Not at all. Dinner, shoes, a gift. Just keep it intentional.
So, not a full shopping spree.
Please no.
Okay, what's part 2?
Part 2. Cover your basics first.
Rent, bills, food.
Exactly. Boring, but necessary.
That part doesn't feel exciting.
But it gives you peace.
True.
Knowing your basics are covered reduces stress more than any purchase.
That's underrated advice.
Very underrated.
And part 3?
Part 3, and this is the one people skip, save something.
Even if it's small?
Especially if it's small.
Why?
Because it's not about the amount, it's about the habit.
So even 20 pounds matters.
Absolutely. That 20 pounds says, I think about future me.
I like that.
Future you will really appreciate it.
Okay, but where should that saving go? Emergency fund? Investments? Somewhere else?
Great question. For a first paycheck, keep it simple.
Simple is good.
If you don't have any savings at all, emergency fund.
So just a normal savings account?
Yes, nothing fancy, easy access, no pressure.
And investing?
Later, there's no rush. The biggest win with your first paycheck is building confidence, not wealth.
Wow, that's a good line.
Feel free to steal it.
I will.
Let me tell you a quick story. With my first paycheck, I spent most of it.
Same.
I didn't save anything. And then an unexpected expense came up.
Uh-oh.
And I had to stress, borrow, panic.
That feeling is awful.
It taught me that saving isn't about being boring. It's about buying peace.
That makes saving sound way more attractive.
Because that's what it is.
So if someone watching feels pressure to do it perfectly,
They shouldn't.
this isn't a test.
Exactly. It's the start of a relationship with money.
And relationships take time.
And patience. And mistakes.
Plenty of mistakes.
The goal with your first paycheck is simple.
What's that?
Don't blow it. Don't fear it. Learn from it.
That's very doable.
And very human.
Okay, let's wrap this up. What's the one takeaway?
Your first paycheck isn't about becoming rich.
It's about becoming aware.
Exactly. Enjoy a little. Cover your basics. Save something.
And don't be too hard on yourself.
Especially that.
All right, everyone. If this is you right now,
Congrats on your first paycheck.
you're already ahead just by thinking about it.
We'll see you in the next one.
See you soon.